Hey guys, we have here two keyboards that I want to compare. I bought them two. At first I bought this one, which is Keychron or Keychron K3 Pro. And when I bought this one, I noticed that there's one thing that I would like what this keyboard has. And normally I would not like the bezels on anything, but when I had to bring the keyboard from one place to another one, that's what I missed. I missed bezels, because grabbing this keyboard, you don't touch buttons. You grab it and it's very nice, very ergonomic to bring it. And this keyboard is, it's the keyboard Air75, and it's NuPhy. I don't know how to correctly pronounce it, but look, it's nice picture. And this one, I like this box a lot. Look how shiny it is. This one is a bit more matte based. Let me check. If I take out the outside part, you see the box design, it's like this, which I also like. It's like a bit contrast. Actually, these two keyboards are contrast to each other, to be honest. Contrast to each other. They're both great keyboards. I like them both. But I like typing on this one more. And the reason why, it's because when you look at the buttons, they are a little bit different. You see, they're a bit skewed, a bit not on the same level. And if I check this one, you see they are kind of flat, the same level flat. And these ones are a bit less like skewed. And the reason why I like this skewed, when I touch, for example, when I was testing by playing the game and I press W, let's say, I'm not touching S. In other words, I'm pressing W and I'm just slightly touching S. Where on this keyboard, if I press W, I kinda already pressing the another button. And this is kinda annoying, which I don't have here. Basically, I'm not pressing S that much, slightly. It's not a big deal, but if I need to choose which to type or like play games, yeah, I automatically just go to this one. Even though I like the colors of this one more, and I like the bezels. So this one is maybe more for ergonomics and bringing somewhere, but this one is just more pleasant to type. But they both have brown switches, so the sound is very similar. The sound is very similar. Maybe this one a bit more deep, which this one is a bit more maybe light. But both feel great. Both feel great, except that this one doesn't touch another button. So this one is great. And this one is more for ergonomics. And lights. And colors and lights just look better on this, for me personally. This one a bit dark. That's what I'm saying. They're just contrast to each other. But if I really have to choose which one, I would just go with this. And it's cheaper, by the way. Where I am in Cambodia at the moment, and this is just cheaper here. But maybe it's more like for office and really like if you don't move anywhere too much. But this one is maybe if you're going on the go. This one on the go is very good for going somewhere. And look how beautiful. You can even see the lights from another side, which is pretty cool. This one's just flat. I guess that's the thing. It's more classic, maybe more classic, which I also like, because it kind of reminds me of Lenovo laptops. So it's very remind me of the design, and it's beautiful. They're both beautiful. Yeah. So really depends what you need in your life. If you need to go somewhere, take this. Even though you can touch the button at the same time accidentally, still would choose to go with this one. And this one, maybe if you just in an office or don't move the keyboard too much, then this one is better. Both typing experiences are amazing. So whatever you choose, you will not go wrong. But my personal opinion, if I would have to choose only one, I would choose this. It just feels better on a finger, slightly, not too much, but slightly. There you go. That's my review. Enjoy, guys.